Hey YouTube Nation, I'm Freddie and this is Let's Fix This. This is a brand new YouTube channel I'm putting together. It's got to do with woodworking and just fixing a whole lot of different stuff. So y'all hit that subscribe button and that like button. But in this first video, I'm going to be redoing a Craftsman 113 series table saw. And in that video, we're going to be cleaning the saw up, putting on new belts and pulleys, cleaning the top, getting rust off the top, and putting on a brand new Vega 50 fence system. So that's going to be pretty exciting. So like I say, this is a brand new channel. This is my first video. And y'all hit that subscribe button and that like button. I'm just an old country boy from Alabama. And you know, I do stuff the Redneck Way and just try to have some fun with it. And so y'all check it out. Right now, let's go work on that saw. I'm oiling these gears up in here. This old mechanism's kind of rusty. See, now let me show y'all what I'm talking about on my Redneck Way. My little saw here is hard to adjust up and down. And the mechanism is rusty in there. So I got tired of breaking my neck with that little old bitty wheel. And I said, well, what can I do? So, you see this contraption I made right here. This is a backward 1/2 inch extension. And on the flat part of this right here, where that's got the key and there's a flat part right here, I've slid me a key in there where it would catch. Then I put me a socket on here. That's the same size as that Allen head. Impact wrench. Stick that in there. And we can go to town up and down and see if we can't make it a little looser. See, that's what I'm talking about, my redneck way of doing things. You know, I mean, who else would have thought of that? Probably nobody. But it's made it a heck of a lot easier about going up and down. See what I mean? Alright, it ain't perfect, but it's made it a whole lot easier. Whole lot easier. I got this and broke loose pretty good. It goes pretty good. Oh yeah. What I'm gonna do, I believe that's gonna be good enough. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a bigger wheel to go right there. And I believe that'll work. Old Redneck Fred, that's what they call me, old Redneck Fred sometime, you know what I mean? But I can get her done. It might not be the right way, but most of the time it works. Alright guys, here I am cleaning the old saw up. Got the old bathroom brush out, cleaning all the dust and crap out of it. The old saw's been stored up for a while and it's pretty nasty. The old mechanism's pretty rusty. You know, here I'm blowing it out, and you'll see coming up here in a minute that I got the old 3-in-1 oil out, using it to break this mechanism loose. You know, here we go. And I know I ain't supposed to be using 3-in-1 oil on it, but I had to get that mechanism broke loose, so that's what I had at the time, and that's what I used. So it all turned out good in the wash. So well, here I am putting this motor on, and that's a real good motor. That thing's in good shape. It's rated at 3 horsepower. I really don't know if it's really a full 3 horsepower or not, but that's what it's rated. But that thing ended up running real good. Ended up putting new pulleys on the saw and the motor, and coming up later on here in this video, you'll see what I had to do to get that shaft smoothed out. That was a pretty good trick, but y'all see that coming up. But I tell you what, I just having a lot of fun cleaning this old saw up, getting it going. And you know, guys, this you know, I'm brand new at this kind of stuff. This is my first rodeo on trying to make a YouTube video. So I mean, y'all don't think too much about those crazy things I do. You know, I'm just an old country boy trying to make it work, and I can make it work. You know, it may be a little unorthodox at times, but I can make it work. But anyway, we're gonna finish getting this motor put on, and we're gonna be doing some other things. Give it a trial run here in a minute, so y'all check it out. All right, boys. Now let me show you the redneck way about smoothing this shaft out, because the pulley don't want to go on there because those shafts rough, because the old pulley on it was wore out. Let me show you a redneck trick. got the motor running. Got me a file. That's pretty smooth. Needs just a little bit more, but not much. That's slick as a baby's butt. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that, boy. Look at that, boys. Huh. Old Redneck Fred and get her done. Look at that. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about, boys? It might not always be the right way, but that's a good way. That's a real good way. Oh. All right, boys, we back with the belt. All right, got a little adjusting to do on it. Here we are finishing up putting this motor on, putting the belt on, getting both them pulleys on, getting them adjusted, and everything. I ordered them pulleys and belt off of eBay, and them things was a perfect fit. So I was proud of that. As soon as here in this next part of this video, I'm going to be giving the motor a trial run, and then that's going to be it for this part of the video. And in the next video, we'll be finishing up. We're going to be cleaning up the top, putting on the bag of 50 fence system, and finishing up. So I hope y'all like this video, man. We're getting close to the end here, so y'all check it out, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, man. Let's get this thing kicked off. I'm gonna try to get in this YouTubing world and see how it works, and I subscribe to a lot of you woodworkers guys videos,
And, you know, that's what got me inspired, was watching all you other guys do y'all's, and got me wanting to do it. So, you know, I appreciate y'all if y'all subscribe.
I think it's time for a little trial run. Boy, look at that, boys. That's running smooth. Man, I tell you what. Oh, Fred, and get her done. We in business, boys. We in business on the Craftsman saw. Shoot, yeah. All right, boys. This is Freddie, and this is Freddie's Let's Fix This. And we fixed that. So, you know, another job well done. Y'all subscribe. Hey, hit the like button and the notifications. Hey, look here. It might not be the right way, but it's my way. See y'all on the flip side.